Hello guys, today's video I show you how to turn off AI overview features in Google. The steps are very simple and let's jump right into it. First thing first, make sure your Google Chrome browser is up to date. Let's help avoid any during issues process. Once Chrome is open, click on the three dots in the top right corner and head over to settings. On the left hand side, find a click search engine. Now select Manage Search Engine and Site Search. Here's where the magic happens. Click Add button to create new search engine. In the name field, like something like no AI anything you like. For the shortcuts, enter your short text. This is just for tutorial process. Now, in URL with percent in place query field, paste a specific URL string and disable AI overview. You can now pause the video and copy it exactly as is shown on screen. Now that's filled in, click Add. Next, click the three dots beside your new search engine and select Manage Default. And that's all. No more AI generated overviews when you search on Google. AI overview is now turned off for your searches, quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, peace.